Bayview Hill is one of the first neighborhoods that comes to mind when you think of luxury living. It's known for its grand, wide-lot homes with 3-car garages, some of the largest houses in Richmond Hill. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to 61 Glenayr Rd, a stunning luxury home with so much to offer. If you're curious about what living in Bayview Hill looks like, this will be a fun tour to explore. If this is your first time in the Living in the Greater Toronto Area channel and you want to know everything about the living in the Greater Toronto Area, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notification so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Toronto, Ontario. My name is Antonio and my business partner is Van. We get calls every day from people just like you, so whether you are moving in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out as all of our contact information is in the description down below. We will be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Greater Toronto area. Let's quickly explore the location of Bayview Hill. It's bounded by Major Mackenzie Drive to the north, Leslie Street to the east, 16th Avenue to the south, and Bayview Avenue to the west. Bayview Hill makes a grand first impression with stone pillars, iron gates, and elegant green street signs. The area feels upscale with winding streets, big lawns, mature trees, and a bit of hilly vibe. Much like Toronto Forest Hill, which actually inspired many of the street names here. Family love Bayview Hill for its top-rated Bayview Secondary School, offering the highly sought-after IB program. The neighborhood is super family-friendly with parks, trails, bike routes, and lots of green space. Plus, shopping and highways are just minutes away. Village Gate Plaza at 9665 Bayview Avenue is a great outdoor spot anchored by Bruno's Fine Foods, with a mix of restaurants, banks, and medical offices. Just nearby, Richmond Hill Smart Center at 1070 Major Mackenzie Drive East has a Walmart Supercenter, Food Basics, Shoppers Drug Mart, plus a few banks and restaurants. When it comes to school, this area is one of the most appealing and is a major factor driving home prices here. Bayview Hill is home to some Ontario's top-rated schools, including Bayview Hill Public School, which scored 8.7 and ranks 130th out of 3,021 schools. Silver Stream Public School is even more impressive, ranking 42nd with a 9.4 score. And for high school, Bayview Secondary School is among the very best, ranked 9 out of 746 schools with a 9.4 score. Bayview Hill is full of large Georgian-style brick homes, most built in the 1990s and early 2000s. You see lots of classic red brick, big landscape lots, and tons of mature trees. Every home comes with a double or triple car garage like at the back. As you can see, this entire street is lined with homes featuring 3-car garages. 61 Glenayr Rd is one of our team's newest listings, sitting on a huge 66 by 150 foot lot. It's a 4+1 bedroom, 4-bathroom home with a 3-car garage, space for up to 7 cars, and about 4,200 square feet above grade. This stunning property is definitely a standout luxury home in Bayview Hill and is currently listed for $3,750,000. Let's jump right into the full tour of this beautiful home. Now let's take a look at the entrance, where you immediately welcomed by a massive foyer featuring a grand spiral staircase and soaring high ceilings. Let's first take a look at the right side, where you find a spacious living room. Although it's currently empty, you can easily see that it can accommodate large furniture, with plenty of open space and oversized windows, partially covered by curtains that let in lots of natural light. On the other side, you find a spacious dining room that can easily accommodate a large dining table, with plenty of room for additional furniture. It also features a large window that brings in lots of natural light. Additionally, the room showcases beautiful porcelain flooring and a stylish light fixture. In a home spanning over 4,000 square feet, you can expect a massive kitchen with tremendous storage, abundant carpentry, and a large center island. It also features a spacious double-door fridge, a built-in oven and microwave combo, and plenty of counter space for all your cooking needs. You also find a large set of triple glass windows just above the spacious sink, filling the kitchen in an abundance of natural light. Thanks to the generous size of the home, you also have a spacious breakfast area that can easily accommodate a large table, along with direct access to the backyard through a convenient door on the right. Now let's head back to the front, where you're once again welcomed by the grand foyer, featuring a massive entrance, soaring high ceiling, and plenty of windows that flood the space with natural light. Now let's head to the room next to the breakfast area, where you find a spacious family room. Although it's a bit dark due to the curtains being drawn, you can see there's plenty of space to fit a cozy sofa, a TV, and even a fireplace that completes the warm and inviting feel of the room. Moving into the next room, you find a spacious study or office area. It features a beautiful hardwood flooring and large windows that bring in plenty of natural light, offering more than enough space to create the perfect home office. Continuing down the corridor, you find access to the garage and side door. There's also a laundry area equipped with a washer, dryer, and a convenient laundry sink. Now let's take a look at the garage. Here you'll find a double car garage on this side, and through the door, there's an additional single car garage, giving you space for a total of 3 cars. You also notice a separate pathway leading directly to the basement. Let's head up to the second floor, where you notice the beautiful spiral staircase leading to the upper level. There are a total of 4 bedrooms on this floor. Let's start with the first room, which faces the front of the house. As expected, this room offers a generous amount of space, highlighted by 2 large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. On the other end, you'll find ample room along with a double door built-in closet, all complemented by beautiful hardwood flooring throughout. Right next to it is the bathroom that serves the 3 bedrooms, excluding the master. It's a spacious bathroom featuring a large double sink, a toilet, and a standing shower on the right, with a huge bathtub on the opposite side. In my opinion, while the finishes could use some updating, the size of the bathroom is definitely a standout. Next to the bathroom, you'll find a large linen closet with plenty of space for storage. This is the second bedroom. At first glance, it may appear smaller, but it's actually a well-sized room with large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The adjacent room appears to be a larger bedroom with plenty of windows that allow for lots of natural light and ample of space. It also features a spacious double-door built-in closet and the same beautiful hardwood flooring throughout. Overall, it's a generously sized bedroom. Now, let's head over to the master bedroom. As you might expect, it's a massive space currently empty, but offering endless possibilities to furnish and design as you wish. Right at the front of the room, there's a walk-in closet that even features a window, bringing natural light. Again, the closet itself is very spacious. Now let's take a look at the ensuite bathroom. You'll find a countertop surrounded by 2 large windows finished with ceramic tiles throughout. On the other side, there's a double sink with a large vanity and 2 rounded mirrors. You also find a separate toilet area and a standing shower. Overall, the ensuite feels just as spacious as the main bathroom on the second floor. Now let's take a quick look at the basement. As you might expect, it's a huge space. Straight ahead you'll find a cold room, and just around the corner is a generously sized second kitchen with plenty of carpentry and storage. While the appliances could use some updating, the setup is very functional. There's also a full bathroom complete with a shower and the toilet. This space would be perfect for in-laws or could easily be rented out for additional income. Here we have a spacious recreational area with a fairly large basement window that brings in some natural light. It's an expansive space, and straight ahead you'll find a fireplace, perfect for setting up a second family room or entertainment area. Near the stairs, there's also a large walk-in closet for additional storage. Down the corridor, you'll find a door that leads to the garage, which could easily serve as a separate entrance. And that wraps up our tour of this spacious luxury home in Bayview Hill. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful tour of luxury home and got a better feel for the Bayview Hill neighborhood. If you like this kind of property tour, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps me keep creating more videos like this for you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.